Okay, dear students, in the last class, we have seen one important proof. D by dx, x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Okay, now onwards, if we get any of derivation like this, then directly we can write this value. Why? Because we have already seen the proof of this one. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to take the proof of those four algebra of derivatives: addition or sum of derivatives, subtraction or we can say difference of derivatives, multiplication of derivatives, division or quotient of derivatives. Okay, in among those, multiplication we will call it as Leibniz rule. Okay, see, before going those four proofs, once again we will what we can say, see some more items based on this formula, whatever we have done until now with this sorry, with this formula directly, with the single steps we can write. What are those and all we will see. We have seen 2x plus 3 as f of x. Then one step, how can we write f dash x is equal to 2? Why? Because see, x power 1 is there, 1 into x power 0. Okay, you see what I am writing, 2 into x power 1 is there, that means 1 into x power 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 only. See what is happening here, that means, you see, here you have to understand carefully. In 2x plus 3, okay, 3 is a constant or scalar, but 2 is not a constant or scalar. 2 is along with x, it is lying, multiplying. That means this we can call it as coefficient. Okay, this is coefficient, but this is a scalar like. Understand now? This is a coefficient, this is a scalar like. See, along with variable, if any element is there, that element is going to be called as coefficient. Coefficient is not going to become 0 in derivative. Okay, coefficient is not going to become 0, but scalar is going to become 0. Why? Because this doesn't have any x. Okay, that is why. Okay, see one more x cube. Say f of x is equal to x cube, then f dash x is equal to 3 into x square. Okay, see, n into x power n minus 1. N minus 1, immediately it has to strike in your mind. If f of x is equal to 1 by x, then this you can write it as x power minus 1. Then f dash x is equal to minus 1 into x power minus 2. That is equal to minus 1 by x square. That's all. Okay, like this with what we can say, small steps only you can write it. Now onwards, you need not go f dash x, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x, limit delta x tends to 0. All these things again and again you need not do. Why? Because we have taken the proof of this formula or something like. Okay, now we go back for proof of algebra of derivatives. Okay, let us go. Okay, let us see first proof. First proof is addition of derivatives. Okay, see what I am writing. D by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Is it okay? This is the addition of derivatives. U plus v, two functions, you are making derivative of these two functions combined, that is equivalent to du by dx. That means separate derivative of these two functions. Addition of separate derivatives. Okay, like that we can call. Let us see. We will take proof, not example or verification. We will take proof. Okay. Okay. See what I am writing. First, you understand carefully. Let ax and bx be two functions where a and b are real numbers and A is not equal to B. First you understand this statement. This is precondition. Precondition is what? Ax and Bx will be two functions. That means u plus v like. U is Ax, v is Bx like you think. These are two functions, not like f of x. Ax, A into x. A into x, B into x. Okay? And what are A, B? X you know. What are A, B? Where A and B are any real numbers. These two are real numbers. And another condition, A is not equal to B. That you keep in your mind. A is not equal to B. Okay. See now what we are doing. Now we are writing like this. D by dx of Ax plus Bx is equal to d by dx of Ax plus d by dx of Bx. Is it okay? D by dx of Ax plus d by dx. You consider Ax as u. D by dx of u plus v is equal to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. You understand now? Okay. Now see, this is a formula. Now we take proof of this. Okay. See how I am doing the proof. LHS I am taking this, you consider LHS, this you consider RHS. LHS is equal to d by dx of Ax plus Bx. That is equal to, okay. You see, x you can take common here. Okay. X if you take common, what will happen? D by dx of A plus B into x. X if I have taken common means this will become. Okay. Now what will become this one? A plus B. Is it okay? Yes. Why? Because we have seen d by dx of 2x is equal to 2. Why? Because x is not having any power, then 1 into x power 0 will become. That's all. Okay. Now LHS is A plus B. Let us go for RHS. RHS is equal to, okay, d by dx Ax plus d by dx Bx is equal to, here also you see d by dx of Ax is A plus d by dx of Bx is B. That's all. Over. Now you can write LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Like that you can write and close this. Okay, this proof. Okay, see, addition and subtraction or sum and difference are easy. Multiplication and division little bit tricky. We will do those. Those also, all we do, 4. Okay. Okay, now let us go for difference or subtraction of derivatives. That proof also we will take. See the formula for difference also, same. D by dx of u minus v is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Is it okay? See, this you can call as d by dx u, d by dx v, or else du by dx, dv by dx. One more thing I have forgotten last class. What is d by dx of x? You think d by dx of x means 1 into x is there. When d by dx of 2x is equal to 2, then d by dx of 1x is going to become 1 only, na? That you think. 3 types you can think here. Okay, d by dx of x you can think 1 into x, or else dx by dx also you can think, or else you can think like this, d by dx of x power 1. Now you see what is going to happen. 1 into x power 1 minus 1, that is equal to 1 into x power 0, that is equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, 3 cases you can think. D by dx of x is equal to d by dx of 1 into x you can think. d by dx of 2x is 2 means automatically, see scalar or we can say coefficient. So when x is having power 1, then coefficient is the derivative, that's all. Okay. When x is having power 1, coefficient is 1. This is one procedure. Or else directly you can write dx by dx. Why? Because see, when I am telling this, I got this idea. Dx by dx is equal to 1. Why? Because both dx's are going to get cancelled. Okay. Or else you can take d by dx of x power 1. Now what you are writing? N into x power n minus 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 1. 1 into x power 0. 1 x power 0, any power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. In 3 ways we can write this. Okay. Let us go back. Okay, see, this is the formula. Now we have to prove. Like earlier only, we will take ax bx. Why? Because c, d, y I am not taking. C is constant. In integration again c will come. That is why c I am not taking. Okay, that you will understand afterwards. Not in differentiation, in integration, in class 12. Plus c we have to write finally. That is why c I am not taking. Okay, see what I am taking now. Let ax and bx be two functions, okay, where a and b are any real numbers and a is not equal to b. Okay, that you keep in your mind. Let ax and bx be two functions where a and b are any real numbers and a is not equal to b. Okay, now we can take ax as u, bx as v, like you can understand. Okay, now again I am writing this formula. Okay, you see, d by dx of ax minus bx is equal to d by dx of ax minus d by dx of bx. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay, d by dx of ax minus d by dx of bx. Okay. Okay, now take LHS first. Take LHS. LHS is equal to d by dx of ax minus bx. Then here also you see x is common. Then you take x common. d by dx of a minus b into x. Is it okay? If I take x common, d by dx of ax into b. Now x is having only power n and this you can take as coefficient. That is equal to a minus b. Is it okay? Definitely okay. 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 Now go back to RHS. RHS is equal to, you see, this you have to write d by dx of ax minus d by dx of bx is equal to, see, d by dx of ax means a minus d by dx of bx means b. Now a minus b, write down finally a LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, see, these are all proofs only. Why? Because we have not taken any numbers. Any numbers if you take, then that is not going to be called as proof, it is going to be called as verification. Now we can call this as proof. Why? Because any real number we have written, then we can consider this as proof. Okay, now we go to proof of multiplication of derivatives. Okay, d by dx u into v. Okay, let us go. See, first let me write formula. I am writing the formula. You see, d by dx of u into v is equal to v du by dx plus u tv by dx. Is it okay? First see the formula. Multiplication d by dx of u into v is equal to, okay, this is in bracket or small parenthesis, v du by dx plus u dv by dx. Okay, okay. Let me take where u and v. Let u is equal to let u is equal to x power n minus 1 and v is equal to x. Like that I have taken. Okay. X power n minus 1 and v is x. Okay, both I have taken. Okay, now let me do this. Now you see what I am writing. D by dx of u is what? X power n minus 1 into v x is equal to, now v is what? X into d by dx of x power n minus 1 plus, okay, you can put bracket or not. See, why I have written v first and this, now you can understand. This x if you write here, what will happen? D by dx of x power n minus 1 into something is going to become. Again and again this is going to become multiplication, like you see. So if you write this here, again it is going to become like this. That is why first you write v, then du by dx. Okay, you must have understand now. Okay, u x power n minus 1 dv by dx, d by dx of x. Okay. Now you see, this you have to prove. You have to first take LHS, then RHS, then you have to prove. Okay. What I am doing, I am making this line. Why? Because I will do here and I will do here. Then only. Why? Because I don't think it is space is going to enough. Okay. Now LHS I am doing. You see, LHS is equal to d by dx of x power n minus 1 into x is equal to, you see here, x power n minus 1 into x power 1. Okay, bases are same, then powers you can add. X power n minus 1 plus 1. X power n will come. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Then write down d by dx of x power n. Okay, d by dx of x power n derivative you know very well. Directly we will write it. That is equal to d by dx of, no, why again d by dx? We know very well that n into x power n minus 1. Okay. Now see, LHS has come, n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of n power n. Let us write RHS also here. RHS we will write here. Okay. I think space is enough. Okay. You see what I am writing RHS. RHS, these two you have to do. RHS is equal to x into d by dx x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 1 dx by dx. Okay, RHS. First I have written same. Now we will do down, bottom. Okay. Now you see here, that is equal to, x is like that only. Now you tell me, now n minus 1 you take it as n into x power n minus 1. Now what I am writing, you see, into n minus 1 into x power n minus 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. You see, n into x power n minus 1. n minus 1 into x power n minus 1. n minus 1 already is there, minus 1, n minus 2. Okay. Plus x power n minus 1. Now dx by dx, d by dx of x or dx by dx, both are same, 1 only, into 1. Okay. Okay. That is also over. Now next you write, you see here, x power 1, x power n minus 2 is there. Now first you take this n minus 1 outside. These are multiplication up to here. Plus this one. This is x power n minus 1 only, into 1 means. Okay. Now you see here, x power 1 into x power n minus 2. These two. Okay. N minus 1 we have taken out. Now what will happen? Bases are same. N minus 2 plus 1. That is equal to x power n minus 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Write down x power n minus 1. Okay. Plus again here x power n minus 1. Okay. X power n minus 1 into 1 means x power n minus 1 only. Okay. Now you see, x power n minus 1, again I can take common. Yes, definitely you take common. X power n minus 1, x power n minus 1. x power n minus 1 I have taken common, but here n minus 1 is there, okay? But here if it has gone out means 1 should be there, plus 1. You see plus 1 minus 1 if you get cancelled, n into x power n minus 1. Is it the same? N into x power n minus 1, n into x power minus 1. Okay. What you can write now? Finally, you will write like this. LHS is equal to RHS, comma, hence proved. Okay. Like this you write and close this. Okay. Now, we go for proof for derivatives of quotients. Okay, derivatives of quotients, d by dx, u by v. That also we will see. Same we will take x power n minus 1, x only we will take. Let us do. Okay, let us do. We take u as x. We will take like this. X by x power n minus 1. No, x power n we can take. Then what will happen? X power n into x power minus n plus 1. That is equal to minus n plus 1, x will come. Okay, like that we will take. That we will take. Okay. X power n will be. Okay, let us do. Let us go. That also. Okay, see. Now let me write formula of derivatives of division or quotient. Okay. Okay. See what I am writing. D by dx of u by v is equal to. Observe carefully. V du by dx minus u dv by dx v square. Do you understand? D by dx of u by v is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. That you have to understand. Okay. Now let us take x, u and v. Let u is equal to x power n, v is equal to x power n minus 1. Like that I am taking. Is it okay? Why? Because here also I have written like this only, Why? Because see, if you take like this, automatically, if it goes to top, x power minus n, x power plus 1, minus n plus 1 going to get cancelled, x will come. Finally, x has to come like that. I have written this. Anything you can take, but don't take numbers x square, x3 or like that when you are going to prove. You have to take like this only. In generalized form, you have to take. Number means n minus 1 is not a number. It is generalized form. N you don't know. That is why n minus 1 is not a number. It is a generalized form. N is also generalized form. In generalized form, if you take and prove, then that is called proof. If you take x square, x cube, x to the power of 5, 2x square like that and prove, then that is not going to be called as proof. That is going to be called as verification. Okay? Okay. Let us do now. You see LHS, RHS. First we have to write accordingly this. Okay? You see what I am writing. D by dx u by v. X power n by x power n minus 1 is equal to, okay, v x power n minus 1 du by dx. D by dx x power n minus u x power n dv by dx. D by dx x power n minus 1 divided by v square. Carefully how to write it. X power n minus 1 whole square. Okay. See, this you have to prove. This you have to prove. We will prove. LHS we will take, RHS we will take separately. And let us do it. Okay. Okay. Let us do. Let us do. We will do horizontally. And if not enough, then we will go top. Okay. LHS I am taking, you see, observe carefully what I am doing. LHS is equal to d by dx x power n by x power n minus 1, that is equal to d by dx x. Is it okay? Why? Because I already told the same, you see here. Okay. You can write like that. That means finally it is going to become 1. LHS has become 1, that's all. Okay. Let us move on to RHS. Let us move on to RHS. LHS has become 1. Now let us move on to RHS. RHS is equal to, I don't think space is enough. Okay. See RHS what I am doing. X power n minus 1, okay. D by dx of x power n minus 1. See, shall I write directly? Why? Because here already is there. N into x power n minus 1 I am writing. N into x power n minus 1 minus x power n. Now carefully you write here. N into n minus 1 into x power n minus 2. Okay. Divided by, here also you carefully observe, x power n minus 1 in, you think that n minus 1 is like any x. X power x square means x power 2x. X power 2x means what will come? X power 2n minus 2. Is it okay? Why? Because you see x power n minus 1 whole power means into 2 you have to take. That means x power 2n minus 2 will come. Okay, same thing I have written here, x power 2n minus 2. Okay, we will do horizontally. Next we will do here. Okay, see what is going to happen. Here also you see x power n minus 1, x power n minus 1. You can add. Why? Because bases are same. N you take first outside common. N. Why? Because all multiplication you see up to minus these 3 are multiplication. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You see x power n minus 1, x power n minus 1. You see what I am doing. X power n minus 1 into x power n minus 1 means bases are same. Then you can add powers. X power n plus n minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to x power 2n minus 2. Okay. But n is there. N power 1. N into x power 2n minus 2. Is it okay? Okay. Again you write minus. This minus. Here also n minus 1 you take first out. Now also you see x power n minus 2, x power n. X power n minus 2, x power n. Both bases are same. Then x power n plus n, 2n minus 2. Okay? Write down x power 2n minus 2. Okay? This rough calculation I am removing. Okay. This is numerator only. Denominator x power 2n minus 2 is there. That you have to write again. Repeat. X power 2n minus 2. X power 2n minus 2. Okay. Now you see denominator x power 2n minus 2 is there. Here also x power 2n minus 2, x power 2n minus 2. You take x power 2n minus 2 common, then cancel out. Denominator is going to vanish. Okay. See what I am doing now. That is equal to x power 2n minus 2 I have taken common. If I take common, then n will be there. Okay. Minus n minus 1 will be there. N minus 1. Divided by x power 2n minus 2. Now these x power 2n minus x power 2n minus 2 both are going to get cancelled. See what will happen here. N minus n plus 1, that is equal to 1. Is this the same? You see LHS is 1, RHS is 1. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay. Now we have proved division of derivatives, quotient of derivatives also. Okay. You take this, then we will go for some more standard derivatives. Okay. See, find the derivative of sin x. Okay. We are going to take some standards. D by dx sin x, d by dx cos x, d by dx tan x we will take in this class. We will close this class, and in next class we will start 13.2 exercise. Okay. See, d by dx sin x already we have done, but at that time we have done at x is equal to 0. That means that was not what we can say, basic principle or something we have written. Okay, sin x. But here directly x value they have not given, but you have to find sin x. Okay, how to find this? See, derivative from first principle. Now we can say this derivative from first principle you have to find sin x. Why? Because x value they have not given. X value if they give me, that is not going to be called as derivative from first principle. Earlier we have done same question at x is equal to 0. That was not derivative from first principle. X is equal to 0, if you put automatically 1 is going to come answer. Okay, that is okay. But how to find derivative from first principle? With d by dx directly you cannot find x power n formula. Why? Because that is algebra, this is trigonometry. This you have to go back to old fashion. X plus delta x minus f of x by delta x, limit at delta x tends to 0. Okay, like that we have to do. Let us do it. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let f of x is equal to sin x comma f dash x is equal to, okay, see what I am writing now. First standardized formula I will write, then I will write this one. Delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. First we will write that, then again we will write this one. Okay, you see, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x means, you see how I am writing, sin x plus delta x minus sin x divided by delta x. Okay, now you tell me, in the last class that was not from what we can say, first principle. That is why x was 0 they have given, x we have applied 0. Then sin delta x, here 0 has come, sin delta x by delta x tends to 0 means 1 we have written. But here they have not given x is equal to 0. That means by first principle you have to find. Then x value also you don't know. Delta x value you know, but x value if you don't know, how can you find this? Okay. You see here, this you take as c, sin c minus sin d. This formula we know very well. Okay. What is the formula? Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. C plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. This formula you remember how it has come? Okay. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. Now you subtract. If you subtract automatically, this is going to become minus. Okay, minus, so this is going to become plus minus of minus plus 2 cos a sin b is going to become. Okay, you see, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b is equal to LHS. RHS, you see, these two going to get cancelled. Okay, 2 cos a sin b. Okay, now this we can also write a plus b you can replace as c, a minus b you can replace as d, but a you have to write as c plus d by 2. Okay, this also I already explained to you. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. Now this is the formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. C is x plus delta x, d is this one, c minus d by 2. Okay, x plus delta x minus x divided by 2. Like that you have to write. Okay, now what I do, I will keep only this and remove all this top. Okay. Now you see, limit delta x tends to 0, 2 cos c plus d by 2. See, directly I am writing. Okay, let me write 2x plus delta x by 2. One step more we will write. Okay. C plus d, x plus x, 2x plus delta x by 2. C plus d by 2, c plus d by 2. Sine c minus d by 2. Here you carefully. X plus delta x minus x by 2 divided by delta x is same. Okay. Now I am going to remove this formula also. Why? Because we have already written. We don't require this. Okay. Now observe carefully what will come. Limit delta x tends to 0, 2 cos. You see, 2x by 2 is x only, plus, but delta x by 2 will come here. Okay. Sine. Here you see x cancelled. X, then delta x by 2. Okay. Sorry. Delta x. Okay. Now you observe carefully. Delta x by 2 is there. Here 2 is there. I will numerator and denominator I will divide with 2. Then this 2 is going to get cancelled, but delta x by 2 will come here. Limit also I am going to change delta x by 2. Why? Because you see, when delta x tends to 0, delta x by 2 tends to 0 by 2, that is equal to 0 only. Same. Okay. Delta x by 2 also 0 only. But here 2 will not be there. Here 2 will come. Okay. Let me write. See how I am writing. That is equal to limit delta x by 2 tends to 0. Okay, delta x by 2 tends to 0. Cos of x plus delta x by 2 into, I am splitting the limit also at one go. Limit delta x by 2 tends to 0. Sine delta x by 2 by delta x by 2. See, this delta x by 2, how it has come? Because we have cancelled this 2 here. Divided by 2, divided by 2. Okay. And delta x by 2 also, how it has come? I have told already. And this is going to become cos x plus delta x by 2, sin delta x by 2 by delta x by 2. Why I have splitted? Because this is going to be 1. Limit at delta x tends to 0, sin delta x by delta x is 0. Limit delta x or x. Okay. If same limit is there, same limit comes means here also, then this is 1. Here you apply 1, 0. Now, okay. You see, you are applying limit. If you apply limit, automatically here 0 will come. Cos of x plus 0, why? Because delta x by tends to 0 into 1. This is going to become 1. That is equal to cos x plus 0 is cos x. Okay. This is very important derivation. dy dx sin x is equal to cos x. One box also you have to write like this. You see, d by dx sin x is equal to cos x. You understand now? Write down this. Okay. We will go for cos x also. D by dx cos x. Write down. Okay. Now onwards, if d by dx sin x comes means directly cos x we can write. Why? Because we have taken the proof of that one. Don't take it as example, you can take that as a proof. Okay. If in your examination the question comes also, you can do it. Okay. Now let us take d by dx cos x. What is d by dx cos x? Now also you have to find limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x, like this only. This. Okay. Okay. Let us find this. See how I am writing, you see. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Okay. Cos x plus delta x minus cos x by delta x. Again here also cos formula you have to take. Now I am taking this C cos formula. See cos C minus cos D, like cos C minus cos D, how it comes? You see here I am writing formula. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. See in sin cos will come. Cos sin. In cos sin will come. In cos plus is there, minus will come, minus is there, plus will come. That is the difference. Okay. Now you see what I am doing. I am making subtraction. Okay. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. You see. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Why I have written cos A plus B cos A minus B? Here cos A plus B cos A minus B like is there. Or else I can take this as cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is there. Then whatever come here, that I will write here. You see, here both are same. That means these two are going to get cancelled when you make minus or subtraction. Then you see already minus is there, then minus is going to become minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay. You see, if I replace this A plus B with C, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2 will come. Okay, is it okay? Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Both sin. But minus 2 will come. First one plus, next one minus. How these have come? These also I have explained to you already. If you take A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to D, okay. Now you add. If you add 2A, that means BB going to get cancelled. 2A is equal to C plus D. Then A is equal to C plus D by 2. Okay. Now A is going to become C plus D by 2. You see. Okay. Here. And also if you minus, rather than this you minus, A going to get cancelled. B minus of minus, that means 2B is equal to C minus D. B is equal to C minus D by 2. Okay. See, B is there, C minus D it is going to become. Okay. Now I am going to give this formula, I am going to remove all and I will write. Okay. 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 Let me write according to this formula cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D. Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. That you have to replace. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. Shall I write directly x plus delta x by 2? Okay, why? Because you see x plus delta x plus x by 2 will come 2x plus delta x by 2 x plus delta x by 2. Okay, same thing I have written. Why we did not increase that much steps. Okay, This is basic only. Okay, you see this. Okay, next sine c minus d by 2. Sine delta x by 2. Okay, this also. Why? Because x minus x are going to get cancelled. Delta x by 2 will come. Divided by delta x. Okay. Here also you see these two I am going to send here, and sine delta x by 2, delta x by 2 I am going to separate like earlier only. Okay. You see what is going to happen. That is equal to limit delta x by 2 tends to 0. Okay. Delta x by 2 have changed. And these two I am going to send it down. But first term will be like this. Minus sine x plus delta x by 2. Okay. Into next one. Limit delta x by 2 tends to 0. This minus already given here, and this we will write sine delta x by 2 by delta x. This 2 has come here. Okay. Now this is going to become 1. This you have to apply limit. Apply limit. That is equal to, if you apply limit automatically, minus sine x plus 0 into 1. Is it okay? Why? Because this value is 1 into, and see multiplication I have splitted this. Okay. This value is 1, but here minus sine x okay, but delta x by 2 is 0. I have applied limit. What will happen here? Into 1 means same only, that is equal to minus sine x. This is very very important result. Okay. Once again I am writing, you see, d by dx cos x is equal to minus sine x. Note down. Okay, this is very very important result. We have seen d by dx sin x is equal to cos x, but d by dx cos x is equal to minus sin x. Cos, cot, cosecant, minus 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 will come. That we will see afterwards. Cos we have seen minus sin x. Next we will see tan x. Okay. Let us go for tan x, d by dx tan x. Okay. D by dx tan x. Okay. How much? Okay. See, I am writing directly. D by dx tan x or d by dx tan x is equal to d by dx sin x by cos x. Why? Because see, d by dx cos x sin x value we know, and we know the formula, division formula. What is the division formula? That is equal to v cos x d by dx sin x minus sin x d by dx cos x whole divided by v square cos square x. Okay. See, that formula again I have not written. V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Okay. Okay. Now write down here, that is equal to cos x will be same, but d by dx sin x is cos x minus sin x is same, but d by dx cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x means sin x into minus. Already minus I have made plus. Cos square x. That is equal to cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos x is secant x. 1 by cos square x secant square x. Is it okay? Then we will write again standardization. D by dx tan x is equal to secant square x. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. D by dx sin x is cos x. D by dx cos x is minus sin x. D by dx tan x is secant square x. Okay. Now Sin square x we will do, and we will compare how it has different from normal function. Why? Because sin square x means here square is one function, sin x is one function. Two functions are there inside, like you have to think. Why? Because two times you have to do that. What is difference and all you observe carefully, or else you are going to do mistake. Okay. Okay, see here what I am writing. D by dx sin square x is what? Okay. See here, this I will do in two types. D by dx sin x into sin x. Is it okay? Why? Because sin square x means sin x into sin x. Okay. D by dx u into v. U d by dv v dv by du by dx plus u dv by dx. You can write. Okay. I am writing, you see. That is equal to sin x v. U and v both are sin x only. Sin square x. Okay. Sin x into d by dx sin x plus u sin x d by dx sin x. Okay. See now what will happen. Sin x d by dx sin x is cos x plus sin x d by dx sin x is cos x. Sin x cos x, sin x cos x. Shall I write plus is there 2 sin x cos x? Finally you can write sin 2x, that is different. 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to sin a cos a, sin 2x has come. Okay. Now this is one process. Another process. Sorry. See how I am writing another process. Okay. D by dx sin x square is equal to 2 sin x into d by dx sin x. 2 sin x into d by dx sin x is cos x. 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. You understand now here why I have written 2 times? See, sin x is one function, square is one function. This is not like ordinary x square. X square is there means 2x you will write and close. But sin x square is there means first you have to do the square function, then you have to do the sine function, or else your answer is going to come wrong. Okay. If you do only d by dx, you may do this like this. D by dx of x square is equal to 2x. That means in place of x, sin x is there, then 2 sin x you write and you close. That is not correct. Why? Because that is algebra, but this is trigonometry. Trigonometry function square is there. That you keep in mind. If such questions comes means you think logically. Sin x into sin x if you do also it has to come same thing. If sin x into sin x if you do, 2 sin x is not going to come. Here you see 2 sin x cos x is going to come. That means something wrong, like you have to think and you have to apply your mind. That means you have to do like 2 sin x. Again sin x function you have to do. Okay, 2 sin x cos x. Okay, this is the process of doing this trigonometric functions. Okay, what we do, we will stop this class here. You are able to take exercise 13.2. Okay, and we will take exercise 13.2 in the next class. We will do more questions. Okay, thank you very much.